I wanted actual support and guidance when I first started my cleaning business. But most of what I found when I first started and went on the search for some help were $1,000 courses, which didn't make any kind of sense. I mean, if I am so broke that I am willing to scrub toilets for a living, do you think that I have an extra $1,000 just sitting on the side? What are these creators thinking? So, today I am going to share how to begin your journey as a solo cleaner, earning an actual living wage without buying an expensive course. And for those of you that are new to our channel here, hi, I am Stephanie, and I teach people how to keep their homes cleaner with less effort. And I also teach aspiring cleaning professionals like you and I how to earn incredible money on a part-time basis. And if you're excited to hear more, quickly let us know by clicking that thumbs up, and then by subscribing. You're never going to miss any of our free trainings, so make sure you go ahead and do that real quick and click that bell. First things first, if you have never worked professionally as a cleaner, or maybe you just don't have any work experience that would parlay in that direction, simply start with our Clean All of the Things playlist. We're going to link it right below in the description and in the comment section. And then once you click on that, you're going to listen while you're driving. You're going to listen to a quick training while you're taking a shower or doing your makeup or brushing your teeth, just getting ready to start your day. And if you are super confident, however, or you already have some actual on-the-job training as a cleaner, then go ahead and jump right onto our new solo cleaner playlist. We're also going to link that below for you. All right, so the last thing to do is just fully commit. Fully commit to 5 times a week listening or watching a daily training until you are caught up and have gone through beginning to end, and take 5 action steps every week until your business calendar is looking how you want it to look. That's maybe 10 to 30 minutes each day committed to your future, your ability to pay all of your bills easily, once and for all. I would have to say that you are worth it. And if you want your action steps all laid out for you in a more connected way, then join our waitlist for our masterclass. It's going to be a $37 special for those that are on our wait list. You are going to get checklists, you are going to get formulas, you are going to get action steps all in one place. And as soon as that wait list link is available, we will have that right in the description as well. I am here to support your growth, and I am anxious and ready to help you get started. So stay connected with us. Let us know how we can be of better service to you. Thanks so much for watching.